Ikomidi elibhekele ezamanzi nenhlanzeko ePhalamende liholwa uNgqongqoshe wezamanzi uPhemi Majortina lithi lizosungula ikomidi elizobhekana nokugcina ingqalasizinda yamanzi isesimeni esifanele ikakhulukazi komasipala.
We are establishing the National Water Resource Infrastructure Agency that will work with other agencies.
I-DA kwesekile ukuthi ingqinamba enkulu kulelizwe odabeni lwamanzi ingqalasizinda engekho esesimeni esifanele.
The most critical challenge we face in the water sector across South Africa is failing infrastructure, particularly at the municipal level.
Ingaphezu kuka-40 billion randi imali eyabelwe ukulekelela omasipala ekulweni nezingqinamba ezivimbela ukuthi kuhlinzekwe izakhamuzi ngamanzi.
More than 47 billion rands are going to be used to support municipalities. That exclude other grants that are coming from human settlement and others, which are actually more than 61 billion just in this year alone.
Iqembu MK Party lithi lo mbiko wesabelomali aliweseki njengoba kusekhona izindawo KwaZulu-Natal ezihluphekela amanzi ebe ekhona amadamu kanye namaloli athwala amanzi.
Abantu basendwede close to idam lasezemiya banawo amanzi, but it's 1 or 2 kilometers kwidam. If we are Mhlathuze, there are problems in Mhlathuze. Abantu abanamanzi for more than 3 months to 4 months. But ama-tracker fail.
I-EFF ithi umnyango awuzinikanga isikhathi ukubhunga ngalesi sabelomali ngaphambi kokuba usethule.
The EFF rejects vote for the one and the processes. Criticizes the committee for quickly adopting the report without proper engagements.
Umnyango uthi ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu okholela ezikhukhuleni kunomthelela ongemuhle kungqalasizinda yamanzi.